Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Camry cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and remove everything inside. Next, locate the small dampener arm on the right side and carefully detach it. Then, gently press the sides of the glove box inward to release the two retaining clips, allowing it to swing down completely. This reveals the cabin air filter housing, making it accessible for the next steps. Now that the glove box is out of the way, you will see a rectangular housing cover. This is where your cabin air filter resides. There are usually two small tabs on either side of this cover. Gently unclip them. Once unclipped, you can carefully pull the cover straight off. Then, grasp the old filter and slide it directly out of its slot. Notice the airflow arrow on the old filter for proper reinstallation. With the old filter removed, it's time to install your new one. Before inserting it, make sure to check the airflow arrow on the new filter. This arrow should always point downwards, towards the floor of the vehicle. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Then, replace the housing cover, ensuring both clips snap firmly into place for a secure fit. You're almost done. To reassemble, first push the glove box back up until the side clips engage securely. You'll hear a click when they are properly seated. Next, reattach the dampener arm to its connection point on the right side of the glove box. Finally, put all your belongings back inside. Your cabin air filter replacement is now complete, providing you with cleaner air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.